Is your hatch doing this? Sad. Let's fix this. Whether your vehicle's old or you've added a new ladder and it can't support the weight anymore, you might need to change the shocks. Those go here in the corners, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. In order to release this lock, you'll need a thin flathead. Slide it under this ring and pull up until you hear the pop. You'll see the separation that it creates, and you're ready to insert it onto the uniball. The shocks that are already on the truck will need to be released in the same way. Insert the flathead and release the lock. Do this on both sides. Use the angle that best works. It can come in from the top or the bottom. Once the clips are released, you should be able to pop it off. We're using a Max-Trax to pop up the hatch. You should probably do something safer, but there is a hinge, so the door's not going to fall off, but it will shut down a little bit, so do use something to prop it up. The shocks that are already on the truck will need to be released in the same way. So insert the flathead and release the ring clip. Insert the new shock onto the nipple and do the same thing for the bottom. Okay, if you bought the right shocks, they're the right length and they're properly installed, your hatch should now work something like this. Thanks for watching.